Hi everyone, it's Pat Scrivener here, coming to you from my studio in Vancouver Island. And today I am taking a look at this one again and hopefully can finish it. So stay with me as I work on this, and I'll probably speed the video up some just because it can be kind of long and arduous as I ponder. So the other thing I want to let you know is I'm planning on launching a course and the first chapter online coming up in January, and I don't have the details quite ironed out and ready yet, but if you want to improve your art and work on your authentic voice, this is something that I did live for 5 years in my studio running this mentorship program. So of course it's going to look a little bit different online, but I'm really excited about helping people learn more about art and stay motivated and really find your voice. So you can check my website, and I will be back telling you more about it in the next video. Okay, let's get going. So I'm just going to even up the sky. So I'm putting a glaze over here that is going to help unify the painting, I think. It's feeling a little like there's a lot of colors happening everywhere, so I think this will just help calm it down as far as its disassociation of color. So I'm using quinacridone nickel azo gold in this, and I have it just fairly thin, just with water. So it's going to shift the colors slightly, and I know I don't always like what it does with teal, so sometimes I wipe that back, but that's not bad. So this adding another layer also gives it a great deal of depth. So fussy about that, but this green was a little harsh anyway, so and this part in particular, I didn't end up liking it. It just seemed like it was sticking out. So that's going to help tone it in a bit. So you can also add glazing fluid into your paint if you want, rather than water, but I find that water works okay. So this is optical color mixing, like mixing one color over top of the other rather than mixing it on your palette. So it does give a different effect. It really creates a lot of depth. So I'm feeling that's a little nicer now. This brush I'm using is a Liquitex paddle brush. It's good for glazing. It's not so good if you want to keep your work loose because you're up close, but for glazing it's good. Spray a little spritz of alcohol on there just to add a little more texture. Okay, so this also created some new dribbles and stuff that I'm liking. Okay, so I'm feeling I need a bit of this brighter yellow somewhere over in this area. Okay, I'm finding that this is all a little too much. I'm going to just back some of this off. Kind of seem like it's competing with the texture below. There, that makes it interesting, but not quite so busy. Okay, I'm liking that. Just going to juice up a few places here with a little bit thicker paint. Add some strength over there as well. For a painting this size, it's really important to stand back from your work to be able to see the whole thing. So okay, I might enhance some lines. Got this bit of black. Let's give it a little bit more structure. This is a woody Stabilo. I'm feeling a little disconnect here. I'm going to try and put a little orange line with a pastel. Just scraping a little bit of the orange off in places. Just trying to bring a little more interest into this central area here. Okay, not exactly enjoying that area right there. So let's see. I'm not happy with the green that made. Oh well, it is what it is. I'm gonna break this up a bit. Yeah, drag a little between. I'm gonna wipe some of this down. Well, that's all I'm going to do right now. I think I really need to just sit with this, maybe hang it up in my house and take a look at it over a few days and see if there's any minor tweaking to be done. But overall, I'm feeling happy with it. It is kind of busy. There's a lot of interest. I feel that the glazing layer really pulled it together, and the colors may not be as accurate on camera as it is in real life, but there's a lot of interest in this piece, and it's definitely an energetic landscape. So I hope you enjoyed that, and if you have any questions, please leave them in the comments. I'm happy to answer them. Also, subscribe and like the video. It really helps me. Thanks for watching. Bye for now.